everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. Almost said Camaro, I'm so used to that. It's a Roadster, two-top car, guys. 3,700 miles on a complete body-up restoration. It's actually an older restoration. I bought it from a gentleman who's owned it for some time. Older man, like I say, 3,700 miles on it since he's got it done. But he said it's about a 7 or 8 year old restoration. It's Milli Miglia red, I believe is what they call this. It's got the black soft top. It's got the red hard top that goes with it. Black vinyl interior. 350, matching numbers, 350 car. It's factory air, of course, four-wheel disc brakes. Neat car. Again, two-top Roadster. Just a really nice car. Car runs and drives excellent. You can nitpick some of the paint. There's some, a couple little cracks in the paint, some chips in the paint, but a nice car. Again, if you're looking for a nice driver, I think that's what the car is, man. Good, solid, straight body. It's got the original bumpers on it. A lot of stuff is actually original. Car has been repainted. Motor's rebuilt. It's got the hardened valve seats and everything in it, but a good car. You can see it's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Rally wheels, caps, rings. Again, you can kind of you can see this car's got the original bumpers. Again, you can kind of see some little cracks, some little stone pecks and stuff like that in the car, but a nice car. Say some little, you can definitely nitpick the paint on the car, guys. I mean, there's things like that. Like I say, I'm not trying to pick it to death, but so many people buy these things sight unseen, man. I like to show, I want you to see what you're getting. Again, good car, great car. You know me, I don't buy them unless I park them in my driveway. And I definitely own this car, man. It's a good car. I guess I do own this car. Soft top's in great shape. Hard top's very nice. Got that in the back room. It's got the little marches from the hard top on. I'm sure that'll wheel out. Factory luggage rack. We actually had it with the hard top on it. But I know people would want to see that soft top because that's how most people kind of drive them around. They don't really drive them around with hard tops on them. Again, those aren't Taiwan bumpers. Those are the original bumpers. Car sits good, drives real good. It's got the dual exhaust with the correct chrome tips. I bought the car out of Mississippi. Bottom of the car's nice, clean, straight. Good looking car. Four-wheel disc brakes, that's standard on these cars. Again, it does have the matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine, factory 400 trans. They've converted, it's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel with a Weiand aluminum intake. You can see it does have the finned aluminum valve covers. Power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, does have air works. Glass is nice. Sorry, a little wax on the mirrors there. They're nice. Door handles are in good shape. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sports steering wheel. 3754 on your odometer there. Tach, gauges, all that work. I think the only thing that doesn't work is a clock. Radio works. Owner's manual is in the little pocket there. Dual exhaust, stock rear end. Got it up in the air, took some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. There is a spare in the spare covers there, and there's a spare underneath it. A lot of times those are gone with these cars. Looks like it's got all the correct factory belts in it. Seats are nice. Gauges are nice. Wipers work. This is a removable armrest. It's a pad when you're driving it. Jordan. Roll your two little things to up and down a little bit for your AC and they'll kick on. Yeah, just go to like AC and then flip over the little vent or the little. Try it. Little rev. Gauges are all functional. What do you got on there? You should just flip that on there. It should kick on. Go through your lights, Jordy. Backup lights work. Give a little rev. Again, rebuilt motor. It's got the hardened valve seats on it. Kick on. No, it works. Oh, that's right. Radio works. See all your little controls work. They're not out there. I don't know why it's not kicking on. It works. Wipers are functional. Check that. I know the AC works. We just had it on a second ago. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. There you can see it out in the sunshine. Pretty car. Have a great day, guys.